Just start at the bottom, work our way up.
Okay.
Work our way up. Oh, yeah.
Nice one.
Oh, where they go good. You guys doing a lot with extremities
we haven't
yet?
done any extremities yet.
Not yet.
No.
But you will
We
soon.
will. Yeah, we'll do
You
it.
will soon.
Ooh.
That's good. It's coming though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Relax this leg too. Let this leg just drop. Good.
Nice.
These are those Jordans. Okay, keep that locked in. So big breath in. All the way up. Squeeze. Nice.
Needed that one.
Yeah, I know you've been getting them.
Oh, that was good.
Good.
Nice.
Good. This over here. Nice.
Nice.
So let me sort of over here like this. So you want to really, really relax that. Let this fall right in my hands, like over here. Try to run this way. There it goes.
Nice.
Good.